Huawei H31-124_V2.0 ENU updated dumps questions of DumpsBase are available to ensure that you can pass HCIP-Carrier IP V2.0 certification exam successfully. DumpsBase H31-124_V2.0 ENU exam dumps keep being checked and sorted out very efficiently by the top certified professionals of DumpsBase. These related H31-124_V2.0 ENU exam dumps questions and answers are managed and well organized by our certified professionals. This video shares H31-124_V2.0 ENU free dumps questions online as the demo for helping you check the HCIP-Carrier IP V2.0 H31-124_V2.0 ENU updated dumps questions. Question number 1. Which of the following statements are correct? A. Both TE-FRR and VPN-FRR are used to protect tunnels, and therefore they can replace each other. B. After VPN-FRR is deployed, the end-to-end service convergence time is shorter than 1 second. C. TE-FRR implements quick traffic switchovers if a PE becomes faulty. D. VPN-FRR implements quick traffic switchovers if a PE becomes faulty. Answer B. Question number 2. Is the following statement correct or incorrect? Because a bypass tunnel is manually created during TE-FRR configuration, the constraint shortest path first, CSPF, does not need to be enabled. A. True. B. False. Answer B. Question number 3. Which of the following statements about Layer 2 LAN switch are incorrect? A. LAN switch will modify the data link layer header of the packet and then forward it. B. LAN switch can learn MAC address automatically. C. LAN switch operates at data link layer. D. LAN switch will modify the network layer header of the packet and then forward it. Answer D. Question number 4. Which of the following statements about LAN switch is correct? A. LAN switch is transparent for user, it does not modify the data field of the forwarded frame. B. LAN switch can still operate normally even when loop exists. C. LAN switch can detect loop according to the contents of the packet. D. LAN switch can modify the data field of the forwarded frame when necessary. Answer A. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is correct regarding virtual router? A. If multiple routers are configured with the same virtual router ID, they all associate to the same virtual router. B. If multiple routers associate to the same virtual router, they must be configured with the same virtual router ID and at least one virtual IP address. C. If multiple routers associate to the same virtual router, they must be configured with the same virtual router ID and virtual IP address. D. If multiple routers are configured with the same virtual IP address, they all associate to the same virtual router. Answer B. Question number 6. VXLAN uses MAC in UDP encapsulation to extend Layer 2 networks and encapsulates Ethernet packets on IP packets. When packets are transmitted on a touted network, the intermediate touting device does not need to learn inner MAC addresses. A. True. B. False. Answer. B. Question number 7. Which of the following statement are correct regarding TTL value in VRRP packet? A. The VRRP packet is only forwarded in one IP network, so the TTL value is always set to 1. B. The TTL value of device from different manufacturers is different. On VRP, the TTL value is 1. C. By default, the VRRP packet with TTL value not equal to 255 will be dropped. On VRP, we can use some commands to disable the function of delecting TTL value. D. The TTL value must be 255 in normal VRRP packet. Answer. CD. Question number 8. The Ethernet switch working in store and forward mode drops the frame with length smaller than 64 bytes. A. True. B. False. Answer. A. Question number 9. Which of the following operations need to be complete before IPFRR configuration? A. Configure different costs to generate 2 routes with different costs. B. Configure the same cost to generate 2 equal cost routes. C. Configure a dynamic routing protocol on the entire network to implement IP connectivity between nodes. D. Configure static routes or an IGP to implement IP connectivity between nodes. Answer. C. Question number 10. The VRRP advert FSEL interval is 2s. Preempt mode is enabled. Delay time is 3s. Then which of the following is the master _down interval time? A. 2s. B. 4s. C. 9s. D. 6s. Answer. A.